Hi kids, we are starting a new chapter, chapter number 11, representation of data from the book Maths 2. Count the objects in the given picture and answer the following questions. So we have to count some objects and answer some following questions, okay? So this is the picture we have, okay? First, how many clouds are there? We have to look in this picture. So there is no cloud, right? So the answer is 0, okay? Second, write the number of trees in the picture, okay? So there is 1, 2, 3, 4. There is 4 trees, okay? Then third, how many ducks are there in the pond? We will count 1, 2. 2 ducks are there in the pond, right? Fourth, how many mangoes are there on the tree? Again, we'll count the mangoes, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 mangoes are there. Fifth, how many birds are there? Birds कितनी हैं? देखते हैं, काउंट करते हैं. 1, 2 and 3. 3 birds are there. Sixth, how many trees are there in the picture? So we have already done this question earlier. The answer is 4. Okay. Then seventh, how many flowers are there? We will count. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So there are 5 flowers. Then the last question, 8. How many butterflies are there on the flowers? 1. There is only a single butterfly, right? So answer is 1. Collection of data. Miss Priyanka is the class teacher of class 2nd. She wants to find out the heights of some of the students in her class. Miss Priyanka notes down the heights of the students in the table given below. So Miss Priyanka class teacher है class 2nd की, वो जानना चाहती थी हाइट्स कुछ बच्चों की, स्टूडेंट्स की क्लास में. ओके, उन्होंने एक टेबल प्रिपेयर किया है. वी हैव 2 कॉलम्स है. नेम ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स, हाइट. प्राची 104 सेंटीमीटर, रजत 112 सेंटीमीटर, शिवानी 97 सेंटीमीटर, अंशुमन 117 सेंटीमीटर, नमन 115 सेंटीमीटर, शिवम 116 सेंटीमीटर, परी 102 सेंटीमीटर, रोहन 99 सेंटीमीटर. This collection of heights is known as the data. So यहाँ पर हमने बहुत सारे students की height लिखी है. So this is the collection of heights and this we called as data. Okay? The collection can be of anything. उसको हम क्या कहेंगे? Data. Okay? When the facts are collected by counting things, objects or events, the collection is known as data. जब कोई भी facts हम collect करते हैं count करके चीजों को, objects को, events को, तो उस collection को हम data कहते हैं. Arrange the students in the ascending order of their heights in the table given below. So you can arrange the heights, okay, in this table accordingly. You have seen previously, okay, and you can write it here in the ascending order, okay. So they have given 2 columns, name of the student and height. You can write here the name and here the height accordingly, okay. Reading the table, Shivam and Sheetal decided to conduct a study on the ice cream sold in their nearby shop. The owner of the shop let them take down the details of the different flavors sold over the 2 weeks. The data is listed below. तो शिवम और शीतल ने डिसाइड किया कि वो एक स्टडी कंडक्ट करेंगे आइसक्रीम कितनी सोल्ड होती है उनकी जो नियर बाय शॉप है वहां पर. ओके, तो जो ओनर है शॉप का, उन्होंने उन्हें डिटेल्स नोट करने में हेल्प की डिफरेंट फ्लेवर्स की जो कि सोल्ड हुई है 2 वीक्स में, एंड डेटा इज लिस्टेड हेयर. वी हैव 3 कॉलम्स, फ्लेवर ऑफ द आइसक्रीम वीक 1 एंड वीक 2. सो मैंगो, in week 1 54 ice creams are sold, and in week 2 30 ice creams are sold. Then milk orange, 76 ice creams, 55 ice creams. And then strawberry, 43 ice creams were sold, and 50 ice creams were sold in week 2. Then sandwich, 30, 49. Vanilla, 32, 60. Matka kulfi, 41 and 40. Chocobar, 34 and 35. Okay. Read the above table and answer the following questions. So we have already read this table. Now we'll answer some questions. First, which flavor had the most sales in week 2? So the greatest number from these one, because this list shows the items sold in week 2, right? So the greatest number is 55, which is of milk orange. So the answer is milk orange. Okay. Then second, which flavor had the most sales in week 1? Now we have to look for week 1. The largest number is 76, which is of milk orange again. Okay. Then third, which flavor was most popular in week 1? Most popular कौन सा रहा? Again milk orange, because it has so much sale. That's why that one is popular. Okay. Fourth, which flavor had the lowest sales in week 2? Week 2 में सबसे lowest sale किसकी हुई? This one. This one is the smallest number, right? So the flavor is mango. Okay. Then fifth, in which week was the sale of strawberry ice cream higher? So we have week 1 here 43 and week 2 50. हमें पूछा गया higher किस week में है? In week 2, because 50 is greater than 43, right? Sixth, how many more strawberry ice creams were sold that week? तो कितनी ज्यादा आइसक्रीम सोल्ड हुई उस वीक में जो हायर सेल्स वाला वीक है? सो इफ वी कैन सब्ट्रैक्ट 50 minus 43, we'll get 7. Answer is 7. Seventh, how was the difference of milk orange ice creams sold in the both weeks? Now we have to find the difference of milk orange ice cream. Milk orange is here, and we have to find the difference, right? So 76 minus 55 will get 21. Okay. Representation of data. Representation of data means to express data. We can express data by different ways. We can express data through words, pictures, symbols and graphs, etc. तो जो रिप्रेजेंटेशन होता है किसी भी डेटा का, उसका मतलब होता है कि डेटा को एक्सप्रेस करना. हम काफी डिफरेंट वेज में एक्सप्रेस कर सकते हैं, वर्ड्स की हेल्प से, पिक्चर्स, सिंबल्स और ग्राफ्स, एंड देयर आर मेनी अदर वेज एज वेल. ओके, लेट अस सी. दिस इज नीतू's कलेक्शन ऑफ टॉयज. ओके, वी कैन रिप्रेजेंट दिस एज, हम इसे रिप्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं कैसे? So she has cars, balls and some dolls, right? So here we have shown this in the form of a table. So we have made 2 columns, namely toys and number of toys. So first one is dolls. 10 dolls are there. Then ball, 6 balls are there, and cars, 2 cars are there. Okay. We can also represent data by coloring the boxes through different colors as हम different colors से boxes को color करके भी show कर सकते हैं. A dolls के लिए हमने red color choose किया और 10 boxes को color कर दिया, right? And B के लिए हमने balls है और green color choose किया और 6 boxes को color कर दिया. Then C part में car है, car के लिए हमने ग्रे कलर को चूज किया एंड 2 बॉक्सेस को फिल कर दिया. ओके, देन एक्सरसाइज 11 A, look at the pictures given below. So there are so many things: mango, apple and banana, pomegranate, then again mango, apple, grape, and then there is nothing new fruit, right? There is repetition only, right? Now count and write the data represented in the table. Now we have to count and write here the number. Okay, so we have 2 columns: object slash data, number of object. Okay, so we'll again look at those pictures and count and then write. Okay, so first we'll count mangoes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 mangoes are there. Remember this. Okay. Then I'll count apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 apples are there. Okay. Then we will count bananas. 1 and 2. Only 2 bananas are there. Okay. Then we have pomegranate. We will count 1, 2 and 3. 3 pomegranates are there. And then we will count grapes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 grapes are there. Now we will write. Okay. So first one is mango. We have 7 mangoes there, right? Then grapes. We have 4 grapes are there, okay? Then apple. We have 6 apples, okay? And bananas. Only 2 bananas are there. And pomegranate. 3 pomegranates are there, okay? So this is how you need to fill. Okay. B, this table represents students who have their birthdays in these months. Okay. So this is a table which represents the students having birthday in different months. Okay. So this is the month's name and number of students. This smiley represents one student. Okay. So then how do we read this? January has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 students' birthday. Then February has 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 students' birthday. March has 1, 2. 2 students' birthday. And April has 1, 2, 3. 3 students' birthday. May has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 students' birthday. June has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 students' birthday. And July has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Now answer the following questions. A, which month has birthdays of 4 students? The answer is February. Okay. Then B, which month have birthdays of 5 students? Answer is January and June. C, which month has birthdays of most students? Answer is July. D, how many students are there in total? So you can add them and you'll get 27. E, which month has birthdays of 6 students? Answer is May. See, the students of class 2nd were asked to name the flowers they like the most. The details are given below. Okay, so we have two columns: flower, number of students; marigold, liked by 15 students; then rose, liked by 25 students; sunflower, liked by 9 students; and jasmine, liked by 12 students. Okay, now answer the following questions. A. Which flower is liked by the most? The answer is rose, because 25 is the greatest number. Then B. Which flower is liked by the least? The answer is sunflower, because the smaller number is 9. Then C. How many students like the rose? The answer is 25. D. How many students like the jasmine? The answer is 12. E. What is the difference between the answer to questions first and second? Most and least. In the most part, we need to tell the greater number of quantity, and in the least part, we have to tell the lesser number of quantity. Okay. So this is the difference basically. And if we need to find the difference, what means subtraction we need to do, then the difference will be 25 minus 9 and we'll get 16. Okay. Heights of students of class 2nd is 70, 80, 72, 83, 71, 90, 75, 82, 76, 88, 74, 94, 77, 69 and 85. Now color a box for each student. Okay. So height below 75 centimeter. So first we'll count and then we'll color. Okay. Below means नीचे, यानी कि 75 से lower numbers, छोटे numbers. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So you need to color here 5 boxes. I'll just shade here. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then height from 75 centimeter to 85 centimeter. Means 75 and 85 both are included, and the numbers between them are also included. Okay. So we'll look at those numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So here we need to color 6 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Height above 85 centimeter, we will count 1, 2 and 3. Okay. So the answer is 3 here. 1, 2 and 3. Okay. We are done with this question. Creative skill, activity zone, aim. To collect and represent data. Okay. Then required materials, chart paper, strips of different colors. These are the required materials. Then preparation. The teacher divides the class into groups. Each group is provided with strips of paper in different color in red, blue, green, yellow, orange and pink. Teacher divide करेगी class को groups में और हर group के पास different color की strips provide करनी है. Name लिखे हैं colors के, उनके according strips prepare करनी है. Okay? Then the procedure. First, each student in a group will tell his/her favorite color. पहले स्टेप में जो ग्रुप में हर एक बच्चा है वो बताएगा कि उनका फेवरेट कलर कौन सा है. ओके. Then second, then they will write their names against their favorite colors. They will count how many students like each color. फिर वो एक टेबल काइंड ऑफ थिंग बनाएंगे और कलर के नेम के आगे अपना नेम लिखेंगे जो जिस कलर को लाइक करते हैं. ओके. Third, they will paste as many square boxes of different colors so as to match the number of students who like each particular color. फिर उसके बाद जो कलर का नेम है उसके आगे स्क्वायर बॉक्सेस को पेस्ट करना है जितने स्टूडेंट्स लाइक करते होंगे उस कलर को, पर्टिकुलर कलर को. ओके, फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ 3 स्टूडेंट्स लाइक रेड देन पेस्ट 3 स्क्वायर्स लाइक दिस. ओके, then the teacher can ask these questions. So these are the questions for the students to answer that teacher can ask. Which color is liked by most students? Then which color is liked by the least number of students? Then how many students like pink? Which color is liked by equal number of students if any? The teacher can ask other groups to collect data about their favorite seasons, fruits, vegetables, etc. तो ईच ग्रुप को अलग अलग कैटेगरीज देनी है, उसके अकॉर्डिंग हमें ये करना है एक्टिविटी. ओके, सो आई होप किड्स यू एंजॉय लर्निंग विद मी. वील मीट इन द नेक्स्ट क्लास. बाय बाय.